giving me too much job because senior is used to these things. Let me give it to senior.
Okay, let me take the honors for introducing the star of the moment, the owner of this ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, Spice, our new brand ambassador. The stage is yours.
Thank you so much. You're most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Spice Diana Birungo. Ekirungo kyekyo. Chika tuddamu chika. Ekirungo kyekyo. Ekirungo kyekyo. I'm very happy to be here today. Atenga sirinzeka. I want to thank all the media personalities. Bonna abazze wano. TVs enjawulo, bloggers, my YouTubers, everyone that has made it here. Thank you so much. Team Spice Diana Boda Boda, like Spice together now. My Spice gadgets, thank you so much. Akalulu kakawulire. So first and foremost, I would like to thank Startimes for, we are very many artists in the country. Naye okulonda Spice. Ate nange when nakiwulira, I was very touched because I deal with the audience, I deal with Ugandans, and anything that is Ugandan is my thing. And people that watch all these channels bonna bafani batulabira. This is where our music, content waffe bwe tukola. Being part of this as an artist is something really, really amazing, and I'm very happy. Looking forward to the many months tetugenda okubanga tutambula together with Makula Kika. Ate ebirungo mbirina si bya kunoonya kwegamba mwahitinze jackpot. I'll do my best because I love what I do with so much passion. Because when bankolagana ne family yange now, Makula Kika is my family, and when I'm dealing with that, I don't do it like just business. It's family and it's part of me. When you see Kika, Makula Kika, just think about Spice Diana. Just like you wear that reflector, because Spice Diana, you brand your borders Spice Diana, Buliwoita Spice Diana. The same thing to Makula Kika, because now when you see Makula Kika, that's Spice Diana. Eno channel empya egenda bako ebintu bingi. Abanyumirwa comment if you've seen me acting, because that's my other thing. Before music, I thought nja kubeera muzanyi wa movies, and I'm happy that right now Sabolo Chikozesa and is taking me places to do my content. So you never know, you might see some of my content ku Makula Kika. Olaba beredde nengali wali yechanga. So you guys have been asking me about Beredene. So you never know, you might see more of Beredene on Makula Kika. Just take a channel 229 over 493. Echinto chirala chendi very happy about is this is a job opportunity. Kubanga kati ani abadde amanyi nti Mutoro anafuna program jakolako ku TV. I'm happy for you, and I'm sure banji bagenda kufuna omukisa guno kubanga TikTok ezze naye okifunyemu ki. Tukola content omufunyemu ki. So I'm very happy because we know the TikTokers abakola YouTube content bafunye omukisa nti Makula Kika ezze okubanga ate content wa waka local content. Kitegeeza bajjako ere kye bagambe alani close. Olaba otya bwe tutuula ne tuwogera content ne tukuwaayo ku ssente ne tumulaga ku Makula Kika. Bane mukikubireko engalo ez'amaanyi. Buli ali eyo nga content creator Phoebe, I'm sure you're here today. Okola content obuntubo, and you're very talented in that area. This is a very big opportunity. I'm happy that we have this channel. Please support it. Nze wendi nnyo. And then we have an ongoing challenge, and I want you guys to participate. I thank all my fans, the Spice Gadgets that have already participated. We have more than 200 videos plus in just like 2 days. That's quite amazing. Remember, we have so much to win. Doing an official video. When it comes to video, sizanya video tujikolangi malayo. So abawina ba challenge eyo bagenda bera part of the video, bagenda bera official video. And then there is free goodies to win, twina TV set number nga nene wet screen bwaguga omuwanguzi agenda vaawo naye zina buzinyi mazina ku ka challenge kolimba for chika, and then you stand a chance to be, you know, with us ku journey, you know. So ebisinga ndoza byogeddwa. I'm just very happy to be here. This is a very, very big thing for me, Spice Diana, kubanga nkolagana ne Startimes, such a very big banange no company si amuzanyo. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm happy that ebinene bikwataganye n'ebinene, so expect ebintu ebyakali byokka ebika byokoyoka. So thank you so much guys, and buli azze wano leero mukama bawo omukisa, support the channel, ginoonyeko kutuva waneeno buli omu mugambe about Makula Kika nti ye channel eriko ebinyuma engambo entertainment. Oyagala omanya ku Spice Diana biki byaliko, si biri eri ebyokuvoola abantu nedda, bino bisengejjemu cause Kika yo is very professional. Thank you so much. Alice nga nakyendeseeyo, maybe we can have a few questions coming in, but that's all I can say for now. Thank you so much. The reason why I joined Makula Kika is because of the Spice gadgets. Basakire Singa, I want the best for you guys. Njagala mulabe channel entuufu ezirina ebintu ebirungi nga Makula Kika. When I got to know ebintu ebigenda okubeera ku Makula Kika, I was like, I'm in for this. Ebirungo ebirimu ate nga nange nze birungo ate nga mbagaliza birungo byereere. So just nga babanyonyodde ebintu ebisinga ebigenda okuba ku channel oba ebiri ku channel eno byebimu ku bintu ebya pushinga to be part of this, because channel yanjawulo, ebirungo bigenda kuba byanjawulo ate it's local content ate nga tuli waka kisinga obukulu. Thank you.
Gwe wenna nga wandyetaaze okwata omukolo gwo nga okwanjula, embaga, amazaalibwa, baby shower, kuhinjira n'ebirala bingi, nkwanjulira Glosh TV bakafulu b'okuba ebifaananyi n'okwata video, era nga wandyetaaze okulanga wamu ne Glosh TV kuba ku namba y'essimu eno noti 75 noti 31 283. Tweyunire oleme kwejjusa.